Make $5,000 monthly with the free method to make money online. So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down a 4-step process you can follow to make 5K per month with affiliate marketing. But before I kind of get into that, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future content that I'm dropping every single week on how you can make money online with affiliate marketing so you can sack your boss and live a true life of passion, freedom, and fulfillment. And just as a bit of social proof, I've been able to generate sales like this and sales like this repeatedly over and over again for my affiliate marketing business. But again, this isn't about me, this is about you. And I've been able to help students from all over the world start making commissions online and duplicate my results. We've got Dave King here from the UK, who was able to quit his job and go full-time with affiliate marketing. We've got Pascal Kurz here from Germany, who was also able to quit his job and go full-time with affiliate marketing. And we have Srini here from India, who's struggling for over 10 years, who was also able to go full-time with affiliate marketing. So if you want more information on how they're doing this stuff, then I recommend clicking on the free training down in the description and checking out the video that I put together on that. So I'm going to be talking about the fastest path for you to get to 5K per month online, and that is through something called high ticket affiliate marketing. Okay, so the reason I'm saying you want to be selling something high ticket is because it's going to be a lot easier for you to be able to reach your goals. Okay, it's just a case of simple maths. Now, if you're selling something for $100, okay, and you want to make 5K per month, you need to sell 50 people into that program over the space of a month in order to make that a reality, which is actually going to be quite a painstaking task. Whereas if you're selling something high ticket that's going to sell, that's going to pay you $1,000 commissions, then you only need to sell 5 people into that program over the space of a month in order to make that a reality. 5 people is going to be much easier than selling 50 people into something, right? So step number 2 is to build a lead generation funnel. So I just want to quickly go into the difference between what is a funnel and a website. So a website, you're going to have a series of different places where people can sort of click. You're going to have the home page, you're going to have the about page, you may have services, you may have pricing. There's all of these different places where people can click when they land on the page, and it's quite easy for them to get lost. Whereas on a funnel, they land on a landing page and they can only go to the next step. So you want basically an opt-in page or a squeeze page, whatever you want to call it, where they're going to be entering in their name and email. And then once they enter the name and email, it's going to take them to something we call a bridge page, where you're going to have a short video. It could be around 5 minutes long, which basically explains exactly what it is that you're doing, gives them a bit of information on what it is that you're selling, and then sort of explains what they need to do to go to the next step. The next step is going to be a calendar, okay, where people can schedule appointments into your calendar, which then basically brings me on to step number 3, which is learning to sell over the phone. Where you're selling high ticket products, the best way for you to be able to sell that is over the phone. The human interaction just makes it a lot easier than trying to automate this process through something like a sales funnel. So once you learn how to sell, you basically want to make sure that you're driving as much traffic as you can into this funnel. And I recommend doing this through something called attraction marketing. So attraction marketing is essentially how you can get people to come towards you versus you having to chase them down. And this is done through something either called short form or long form content. Short form content are going to be things such as TikToks, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and YouTube Shorts. And the great thing about these platforms is, they will serve you a lot of traffic quite quickly, which means that you can build quite a following quite fast. Long form content, on the other hand, may be a little bit slower to build a following. However, it's really going to warm up your audience a lot better than short form content will. It's a little bit like the video that you're watching right now. Long form content is a great way to connect with your audience, and it's just digital real estate basically. If you just think about an old song that you like on YouTube, it could have been uploaded about 15-20 years ago and it's still getting views today. So you want to be thinking of each piece of content that you put out there, you're basically just planting seeds that are going to continue to grow with time. So if any of you want my help putting this system together, or you want more information about exactly what it is that we do in up-level affiliate marketing, I recommend clicking on the first link down in the description and checking out the free training that was put together on how you can start, grow, or scale your affiliate marketing business to 6 figures. I'm Andy Mattis, and I'm out.